I don't go to parties, but there's a good reason for that. I don't know any tricks. So today I'm going to be learning arguably the most important party trick of all time. Alright, attempt number 1. I don't know which leg to use. Like, which one do I jump over? I don't know. I try my other leg. I got it. Almost. I did it. That was a lot easier than I thought it would be. So now I can jump over my leg, but I'm not done yet. The point of this trick is that I'm able to do it at parties wearing casual clothes. For me to have truly learned how to jump over my leg, I must be able to do it with jeans and tennis shoes. Attempt number 1 with jeans and shoes. That counts. It's like 2 tries. 2 tries. Oh. Yes. So if you plan to learn how to jump over your leg, I have 2 pieces of advice to give you. One is make sure to jump. If you jump high enough, it'll just carry you over your leg. You won't have to work too hard. Number 2 is to make sure you try both legs. Originally I tried jumping over my left leg, but then when I switched to my right leg, it was so much easier. So make sure you try both legs out. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, make sure to subscribe. See y'all next time.